What's up, y'all, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with FoodPRO. Today we're going to be preparing a veal parmesan, and we're going to pair that with a linguine puttanesca. We're going to be featuring two items during this episode. The first is FoodPRO item number 80340, which is a breaded veal patty from Made Right. And the other item we're going to feature is item number 41030, which is a full red marinara sauce from Stanislaus. Let's get started. Start by making the sauce for our linguine puttanesca. What I like to do when I'm doing a pasta station or serving pasta for service like this is as an order comes in, I'll make the sauce prior to service and get it ready. It's kind of like the same thing as throwing a steak on the grill. That way I'm serving fresh pasta all the time and I'm able to make my sauce as we go. I've got one whole clove of garlic that I smashed, and I'll throw that in there. Then I'm going to add 3 anchovies. A pinch of crushed red pepper. Some olives, Kalamata olives and capers. A fresh Roma tomato that I've diced. I want to cook that until the tomato gets a little bit soft. And then I'm going to hit that with 6 ounces of our full red marinara sauce. I love this sauce. If you're not going to make your own, this works just fine. You can see the chunks in there. The flavor's good. And that's the basis for our linguine puttanesca. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my veal patties. These are already breaded. I'm just going to deep fry them until they're golden brown. Alright, so my veal patties are golden brown. I'll take the baking dish with the marinara sauce. Put those right on top. I hit it with a little bit of marinara on top of the patty. And I'm going to use fresh mozzarella for this. 2 slices on each patty. And then I've got a pot of hot water here that I'm just going to use to heat my linguine up for the dish. I've par cooked this one. Since we made our sauce ahead of time, all we have to do is hit it with a little bit of heat. Some fresh chopped Italian parsley. Chiffonade of basil. A couple tosses to get it coated, and we're ready to plate. So to plate this thing, we'll start with our linguine puttanesca. These are big portions. I realize that. But with the economics of this plate, everything that we're serving here, all said and done, will be about $3, $3.50. I think you could probably easily get $12 for that. The veal patties. Shingle that. And then we'll garnish with this shaved Parmesan. basil leaf. And voila, veal parmesan paired with linguine puttanesca. Thanks for cooking with FoodPRO.